Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my first ever podcast. I have no idea what the name is going to be for this thing, but basically today I'm going to be going over this drone guy, the robot, the DJI Robomaster S1. Set him on the table. Let's just make sure you guys... There we go. It's a big robot. He'll be set on the table. Yeah, I'll quickly go over how to turn them on. What you do is you go to the back, all the way back here. You push a button right there. This pops up. Got your battery. Hold the power button until it turns on. Shut that. Set it back onto the table. And yeah. That's how you get him on, and he's now technically in a way ready to go. So all you do is you have to take out your phone or a computer of any type. Then you gotta go to the DJI Robomaster app on the App Store. See if I can get it to focus here. Yeah, then you just install it. And for me, I already have it installed, so I just open it up. It's gonna take a little while for it to open it up because it's about a gigabyte. Okay, then once it's on there, come on, get a. Sorry guys, but you might not be able to see me for a little bit, but. Okay, I'll just switch to screen recording here. Okay, and as you guys can now see from the screen recording, so we have a robot here. It's going to be a little laggy because it's recording now. What you have to do is you have to click connect. Then, you have to connect via Wi-Fi. Basically, it's going to tell you kind of what to do. The connection is easy, it just the app tells you what to do. You got to slide it on the side of the head there to either, like you connect it through your phone Wi-Fi, or you connect it through like another Wi-Fi router, but it has its own, so yeah. What you do is you just go down, you look for your Wi-Fi, and then yeah, it just takes a little bit for them to show up. It should say RMS1, then some numbers after it, numbers and letters. You hear the little ding. So yeah, then once you have it all connected, you now can see the battery life, the name, my account. Oh, there's new firmware available. We don't care yet. I'm not downloading that. I literally have 6 minutes to record this. So yeah, then what you do is you click solo unless you have multiple. And you could probably hear it there. But yeah, I'll have to put a video on here of me actually controlling it because I don't have enough room for the control on the desk here, so. But yeah, it's really simple. You got left, right, forward, backward. You got the two side buttons which you don't want to shoot. Well, it's not shoot, but press. You got the track person, you got the shake your head or something, you got the zoom in. You can talk to it. Yeah, you can just hold down to talk to it. That's how easy that is. But yeah, it's pretty cool robot. Okay, now that we got the driving on the way, let's go over a very quick overview of all the stuff on it. Okay, yeah, just disconnected. Okay, so basically what happens is... Oh, come on, you gotta stop doing that, buddy. Okay, so you got the camera, right? Not used to... You got the camera right there. You got the bead shooter that shoots out beads, or an infrared light if you play with multiple robots. Right there. You got your 3D sensor right there that detects the distance, so it's essentially ultrasonic. You got the cool LEDs, so it's basically it's a gamer robot, it's got RGBs. You got your armor plating 1, armor plating 2, there's one on the back and one on the other side. And basically that kind of determines the health if you do battles. Basically I have infrared sensors in there. Infrared laser hits it, it detects it, and you gotta stop doing that, buddy. Yeah, I'm just shut them off. Same way you turn them on, you just go to the back, open it up, push the power button, and he turns off.